Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Good day, Mom, sir. I am Shane Denise Juan Salvano. I am 25 years old. I live in Kawayan, Bulacan. I have two brothers and one sister. And also, I have two kids.
How old is the kids?
Um, the first one is 5 years old, and the youngest is 4 years old.
So both boy, right?
Yes,
So what is your educational background?
I'm high school graduate.
So do you have experience as a domestic helper before?
Yes, ma'am, but here in Philippines.
How long did you work here in the Philippines?
I work 2 years.
2 years. So what are your duties and responsibilities?
I'm taking care of the kids and doing household chores.
Okay, so how old is the kids that you take care?
7 years old and 2 years old.
Okay, how many are they in the family?
They are 5 in the family.
Okay, only one helper in the house?
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you prefer to take care, newborn or children?
Children.
Children. If your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So are you willing to share a room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you drink alcohol or smoke regularly?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo?
Yes, ma'am. In the wrist
And
collar.
collar. Okay, so do you have vision problem?
Yes, ma'am. I'm nearsighted.
Okay, so do you wear eyeglass, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you hold any certificate like first aid caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
No, ma'am.
So have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No, ma'am.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because of high salary, and I want to give my family a financial stable.
Okay, so who will take care of your children if you will go in Hong Kong?
Their father.
Their father. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.